Yes, sorry for the disturbance as it was disconnected. Yes, now I am audible. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ? ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋ
Yes.
ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here we'll continue with the topic that we have left. So here we are going to consider a random variable x which is uniformly distributed between 0 and 1. Then its transformation, it is defined by y is equal to y2 minus y1 into x plus y1. So for this, so we need to write the characteristic function. So here you can see the diagram. So where it shows the diagram or the PDF plot for the given transformation function y is equal to y2 minus y1 into x plus y1. So for this, we are asked to calculate the characteristic function. So that we'll see how to do it. So here, for that, we have seen the equation, right? So here, for the transformation function, we have seen the equation that is phi y of j omega. It is equal to e to the power j omega b into phi x of j omega a. So here using that equation, we had to find the characteristic function. So I will just share the notebook and I'll show how to do it. So I'll just open a new book. So here we are given a transformation function y is equal to capital Y is equal to y2 minus y1 into x plus y1. So now for this, so you will see how to calculate the characteristic function phi y of j omega, right? So here we have seen that it is expressed in terms of e to the power j omega p into e to the phi x of here instead of phi x, I'll just write it as phi y. So here that will be j omega a is there. A is nothing but here y2 minus y1. So here a is y2 minus y1 and b is y1. So here we'll write phi y of j omega as of now. So now in the next step, e to the power j omega b is replaced as y1 into phi y of j omega into y2 minus y1. So for this we have to simplify and get the characteristic function. So here in this next step what we can do is, so here as we have seen that phi x of j omega characteristic function equation. So here it was resulted in e to the power j omega minus 1 e to the power j omega minus 1 all divided by j omega. So this one we have derived. So here using this function we can simplify for phi y of j omega y2 minus y1. So here that can be written as, so e to the power j omega. So here we'll be having y2 minus y1 minus 1 all divided by j omega a will be there, that is nothing but y2 minus y1. So here depending on the function here you have to write. So here just we have j omega. So here in this equation we have represented the characteristic function as e to the power j omega minus 1 by j omega. But here along with j omega we have some other function, right? So here you can take that as a. Suppose if a is there, so this will be written as e to the power j omega a minus 1 divided by j omega a. So here using the same concept, here we'll be writing this as e to the power j omega y2 minus y1 minus 1 all divided by j omega y2 minus y1. So now you can substitute this in the characteristic function equation and you can simplify that. So here we'll be getting disturbance. So here in the next step, we can write phi y of j omega is equal to e to the power j omega y1 was there. That is nothing but it will be representing e to the power j omega b into, substitute this equation here. So e to the power j omega y2 minus y1 minus 1 all divided by j omega y2 minus y1. So now if you simplify this, so we get the answer. So here you can see that you can multiply this e to the power j omega y1 into e to the power j omega y2 minus y1 minus e to the power j omega y1 will be there, all divided by j omega y2 minus y1. So now if you simplify, you can see the answer as, so here in the next step, what do you get? So e to the power, just a minute, e to the power j omega, so here I'll write here, j omega y1 into e to the power j omega y2 into e to the power minus j omega y1 minus e to the power j omega y1 all divided by j omega y2 minus y1. So here you can see that this e to the power j omega y1 into e to the power minus j omega y1. So it will be resulting in the value 1. So here we left with e to the power j omega y2 minus e to the power j omega y1 all divided by what? J omega y2 minus y1. J omega y2 minus y1. So this is the characteristic function for the transformation function defined by y is equal to y2 minus y1 x plus y1. So you should remember how to substitute and how to make use of the equations. And next, so here using the characteristic function, we may also able to calculate the moments about the origin. So here that can be obtained by differentiating the characteristic function. So n times if you differentiate it, so here then it will be resulting in the various moments about the origin. So here that can be defined by d to the power n divided by d of j omega to the power n. That is nothing but it will be indicating that is we are differentiating a given function n number of times. So here dn by d j omega of n, so phi x of j omega, it will be defined as integral minus infinity to plus infinity. So x to the power n fx